Here everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will show you how I did my first visa run in Vietnam. Let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. It's 5 in the morning. I'm just waking up. I'm super tired. We have quite an adventure ahead of us. I really hope I'm not being scammed. So stay tuned to see if I'm being scammed or not. Hey guys, so it's 5:30 in the morning, 5:45, something like that. It's a beautiful day and I'm heading to the ferry port. I hope everything will be fine. I'm just with my friend over here. He was the one that picked me up when I arrived to Phu Quoc. And now we are heading to the ferry terminal. I think we are on time, so that's alright. We're gonna do it step by step, guys. Step by step. Again, I hope I'm not being scammed. Okay guys, so let me give you a little bit of background. A couple of days ago, I met this lovely lady while I was looking for a long-term accommodation. She also has some sort of accommodation business. She's building it up, actually. And she mentioned that she could help me with my visa. So I need to leave the country, I need to leave Vietnam to get a 90 days visa. I cannot do it within the country and I cannot extend my tourist visa, so I need to leave. But between the broken English and Google Translation, I don't think we understood each other, so it's quite a gamble. I don't know the lady, I don't know the process, I didn't understand much. I just know that I need to get to a ferry terminal, catch a boat at 7 in the morning, go to another city. There will be someone waiting for me that I don't know either. They will pick me up and take me to the Cambodian border where I have to sign some paperwork. So it's quite an adventure. I really hope I'm not being scammed over here. But it was quite cheap, or at least cheaper than my other option, that was to just catch a flight to Singapore. Return ticket was around $300 plus accommodation plus staying there for like a week while I get my visa sorted. This was cheaper and faster, so I took a gamble and say, okay, let's just do it. Little adventure, and I hope it really works out. So now I'm on the way to the ferry. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I just made it to the ferry terminal and I have to walk 100 meters that way, but I still don't know how I'm gonna get the ticket. So we'll see how it goes. What a beautiful sunrise. What a beautiful sunrise. So it's almost 7 in the morning. I still have a couple of minutes left to catch the ferry and to figure out actually how to do it. I have an electronic ticket that this lady sent it, and I think I will be fine. Let's hope that's the case. Oh, those little boats. Okay guys, good news. I think I found my boat. It's this one over here. I'm not 100% sure, I will ask again. I asked before, they told me this one, but I don't see anybody coming in. But it could be everywhere. I'm gonna ask again. Okay, no, I got it wrong. It wasn't that one. It's that one over there. Okay, so made it to the ferry. I got the right one. Apparently they're all number seat. I got number 19. I'm gonna head up to the next town, to the next stop, see how it goes. It's a cute little ferry. I think it's gonna be quite jumpy today. Okay guys, so I'm just arrived to Ha Tien. That was the name of the town. Getting down off the ferry and I need to find my driver, see where it is. This will be step 2. Find the driver. Okay, guys. That's my driver over there. How you doing, mate? Thank you. Thank you. We just arrived to Ha Tien. I found my driver. Now we're gonna go to Cambodia to get the visa sorted. Okay, at least step 2 is complete. Okay guys, so we have the border, international border just over there, and I'm gonna go with this police officer just over here. Hello.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go just over there to get the visa sorted. Okay guys, so I'm crossing the border now. Just over there we have Vietnam, and over here is Cambodia. I got the stamp in my passport to jump over to the Cambodian border, and then I come back with the new visa. So far so good. So I'm in the Cambodian border now, and there is Vietnam, and I have to go this way to get the visa. Okay guys, so far so good. I got the visa from Cambodia, so I have to come over here to get the visa stamp. Now I have to go back to Vietnam, and there I will wait until 11:30 that the officer I'm doing this visa process will send it to my email. But so far it seems to be all good. The only little hiccup is that I've been told it was $35 and it ended up costing $50, but the process was super smooth, super fast. An officer brought me here, did everything with them, jumped the queues, and now back to Vietnam to wait for the 90 days visa. And when I'm waiting for my electronic visa, I decided to go to Cambodia. Go for a little walk. It's gonna take me a couple of hours, so I say why not go for a little walk, see what's around in Cambodia, and come back. And right after you cross the border, the tuk-tuks start appearing again. It's quite funny. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, he's calling me back now. Let's see what's happening. Well, now they let me go through. So I left my passport just over there with the officer, and he said that I can just go for a little walk, 10 minutes and come back. Super friendly guy. It was quite funny. And now I'm here in Cambodia. Walking in Cambodia, having a look. And I was walking a little bit and I came through this market. Have the different weird fruits. I'm glad I came for a little walk to Cambodia. Funny enough, I've been walking for a good 10 minutes in Cambodia and I still have Vietnamese signal. I mean, I'm not using a Cambodian SIM card, I'm still using the Vietnamese SIM card. So that's pretty cool. And I think I'm in a wedding now. Some sort of religion procession, but I think it's a wedding. Super hot guy, super hot. Now I'm coming back to the border. I'm gonna try to buy something, a little treat to the officer that let me through. I saw a supermarket on the left side. Pretty sure they accept cards, so I have my wife's card and I can use it there. If they don't accept cards, then I don't have any cash. Going back to the border now. I bought the officer a little treat for being so cool. And now it's time to get that 90-day visa. Okay, so now I'm coming back to the Vietnamese side. I just got a notification that my visa was approved and sent through, and I need to open or present that visa to the officer, and just over there they will validate that visa, or authorize that visa, and my 90 days will start running. And I think that's the last bit. Okay guys, so I just came back to the ferry terminal. I'm super happy to say it was not a scam. Everything worked perfectly, it was super efficient, super smooth. I got a taxi driver waiting for me here, took me to the immigration center, then the officer there picked me up, went through the whole process. It was actually pretty fun. Then I got to walk in Cambodia as well for around 10-20 minutes, which was also a good adventure, a good experience. So I'm super happy and glad to say it was not a scam. And what a better way to finish up with this long day than having a coffee and a bite in Sunset Town. Okay guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoy making it, please leave us a like, subscribe and follow us for more adventures. See you in the next one. Bye for now.